Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be eating MREs only for the entire day. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I showed you guys what was inside an MRE box and I picked a top three. One for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I got 3 MREs right here. Got 1, 2, and then we got the third one right here. Like I said, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I also selected my favorite MRE inside of those 12 MRE boxes. So if you want to check that video out, I'll go ahead and link it above in one of these corners, so you can watch it if you're interested. But like I said, we're going to be eating MREs only for this entire day. And I'm pretty hungry, so I'm going to eat one relatively soon. So if you guys are interested and want to watch this video, stay tuned. Let's go. Alright YouTube, this is meal number 1, breakfast, and this is what we're going to be eating. This is spaghetti with beef and sauce. So this is going to be my first meal that I chose out of the 3. So I'm going to show you guys what's inside, what came with it. I'm not really sure what the sides are. I've had this main course, the main meal before, but every time you get an MRE, you really don't know what the sides are. Sometimes they change. Most of the time they're the same, but sometimes they are different. So when you open the MRE, this is what comes inside. This is going to be my meal, first meal of the day. So I want to show you guys what I got, and then I'm going to go ahead and prepare everything so this video is not too long for you guys. So right here. Alright, so first things first. This is the main course meal. Comes in like this packet right here that's closed that you could just tear off. So this is main course meal. The heater pack, this will go in here with water. Ooh, this one's actually really good right here. If you can see it, go ahead and zoom. It's a toaster pastry chocolate chip, which is pretty much like a Pop-Tart. So that's pretty cool. Then they also come with like beverage powder sometimes. This one's like cocoa powder. So this is like a milk chocolate cocoa powder. You can put water, or if you have milk, sometimes you get milk cartons for cereal in the morning. For cereal in the morning. Right here is another one. Ooh, this one's actually a really good one. So right here we got a little bread right here, just a little wheat bread, which is pretty good. But what's even better is that this one came with peanut butter and jelly. Oops, jelly. Yeah, so this is peanut butter and jelly, which is good. That goes with your bread. And then they have raisins right here. These ones are alright. So overall, this is actually a really good meal. I'm actually peanut butter and jelly for breakfast isn't too bad. So I didn't plan on that, but I got it, and it has a Pop-Tart. So things are looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare everything for you guys and show you guys what it looks like when everything's together. Alright, so here's the first meal right here. We got the spaghetti right here in the bowl, the peanut butter and jelly with the bread, the pastry, and then I probably won't eat these raisins. Maybe. I might hold on to these later. This is just extra packaging with gum and stuff like that, and then here's the chocolate milk. And yeah, so this is the first meal. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and I'll get you guys reported on the second meal. Alright, now it's time for lunch. We're going to be eating chili and macaroni. So I'm going to go ahead and make this for you guys, and yeah. Alright, here is meal number 2. This is the chili and macaroni. It also came with red pepper flakes that I put in there. This right here is a marble pound cake. Oh my gosh. This right here, top tier. It's one of my favorites that you can get in the MRE. We got some vegetable crackers. It came with cheese spread, but threw that away. And then right here we got some it's like beef stick, little beef stick right here. Like you see, teriyaki beef stick, not too bad. And then boom, came with the orange packet. So like an orange flavored juice. Went ahead and mixed it up. And so this is the whole meal right here, meal number 2, lunch. And yeah. Alright, this is the third and last meal. I saved the best for last right here. This is gonna be chicken chunks. Save this one for last. Out of all the three, I probably would have chose this as a first option. I don't think I'm gonna plate it or nothing serious like that. I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, what's inside, and you know, just eat it from there. You know what I mean? So boom, take it out. Then go ahead and open it live action. Alright, so right here you got the chicken chunks right here. It comes with a little packet, but you don't really need that. Ooh, right here, barbecue corn nuts. Pretty much like corn nuts. They call them corn kennels though. Right here, got a chocolate flavored, I guess, energy bar. Oh, this one's not too bad. Usually these are super like rock hard. Ooh. You hear that? It's pretty hard, but it's still like bendable, I guess. So I don't usually eat those, but I might take a bite out of them. Right here we got cheese spread. Not really a fan of the cheese spread. Some tortillas right here for your chicken chunks. So you can make like a little, you know, tortilla or something like that, little burrito, I guess. What else we got? Some fruit punch. Not too bad. And then a beef stick, pretty good. And then this one comes with barbecue sauce. If you can see it. Maybe. Yep. Barbecue sauce. I think this one comes with buffalo sauce sometimes too. Can't remember. So it's gonna be chicken chunks in a little burrito with barbecue sauce, you know, a beef stick. And I'm gonna try this energy bar, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up everything and then show you guys, you know, everything on the inside. Alright, so I got the whole dish prepared already. I went and grabbed a plate, but here you go. These are the chicken chunks with the tortillas and barbecue sauce. It's not too bad, you know what I mean? Trying to get it to focus so you guys can see. It's not too bad. I also opened up this little chocolate flavor like energy bar, you know, this little bar right here. I'm gonna try this out for you guys. I haven't had this in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and try a little bite. It's not too bad. It's kind of like a Rice Krispie, just like a little chocolatey, but yeah, a lot more firmer, if that makes sense. So that one's not too bad. It also came with corn nuts. I don't know if you guys can see. These are just corn nuts, like barbecue corn nuts, same exact thing. They actually taste pretty good. And then obviously beef stick. I had this earlier, you guys saw that. I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test on this chicken chunks, a live action. I don't know if you guys want to see it, but if you do, you want my honest opinion. I'm kind of like Gordon Ramsay when it comes to this stuff, so I'll go ahead and try it out and let y'all know. Honest opinion, I'll probably give it like a 7 out of 10. That might be even a little high. The only reason why I say that is because it's kind of cold. There's not really seasoning. It's kind of a bland, flavor. But overall, if I was in the field, or if I was like in basic training, or if I was, you know, doing anything but being at home right now, this would probably be like a 10 out of 10. Because when you're a lot hungrier, things taste way better. And that is a fact. Ask Bear Grylls himself. But overall, pretty good. Corn nuts, you know, a chicken burrito with barbecue sauce, pretty much. An off-brand kind of, oh, it's getting a little dark, gotta hurry up. But this one's not too bad. It's a little, just like a little chocolatey, kind of like a Rice Krispie treat almost. But that's gonna be the end of today's video. I showed you guys all 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you guys like this video, and you made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop any comments or questions, concerns down below. And without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and peace.